friends, we shall learn how to draw a creative nameplate. Da-da-da-da. I'm sure you have seen a number of nameplates. Some are simple, while others are very creative. You can get ideas for the nameplate based on what you like to do. Suppose you are a good singer or you play the musical instrument tabla very well. Then your nameplate can be made in a way as shown here. A tabla is being drawn on the left side. Since a tabla comes in a pair, I am drawing another tabla on the right. Friends, you don't have to actually draw the tabla. I am only showing it to you as an example. Okay, the tabla is ready. On a rectangle here, you can write your name. So nameplate can be done in this way. Da-da-da-da. Another example is that of a badminton player. What does a badminton player use the most? Yes, it's a racket, which is being drawn here. On a small rectangle here, the name can be written. This way, a badminton player's nameplate is ready. In both the examples, we choose objects which a person likes and then get idea to draw nameplate from there, okay? Friends, you and me love drawing and coloring. We are artists or creative people. So our nameplates should have a really nice and creative composition, right? As artists, we use objects like color palette, brush, color tubes, etc. Let us first choose the artist objects and then start thinking about how to make the composition for our nameplate, okay? I'm sure you all must be excited to draw this nameplate. Yes, this is going to be fun and very easy for you since you all enjoy art. Be ready with your pencil, eraser, black sketch pen, a black marker and bright crayon. First, with your pencil, draw a rough oval shape as is being shown here. Then, draw curves which are joined to the oval on the inside. This forms the outer shape of the color palette. Draw 4 circles on this palette to form the places where colors are taken or mixed. Next, draw a brush coming out from the top as shown here. The brush is long, so a part of it is seen below here. To the left, draw a pencil using the basic shape of rectangle and triangle. Hey, our pencil is drawing a pencil! Both the brush and pencil have very light lines as shown here. To the left of the pencil, draw a poster color bottle this way. Next, move to the right and draw a color tube or tube pastel using basic shapes. Draw another bigger tube next to it in this way. Wow, our composition is now ready! It looks so nice. The main part of a nameplate is the name. To write it, we first draw 2 lines in the center of the palette. I do not know your name, but I know you are always right. So let me name you Mr. Right. Write this name nicely within the lines drawn earlier. The nameplate has to be hanged somewhere. For that, make 2 holes on both sides as shown here. With this, our pencil sketch is done. Da-da-da-da. Take your black sketch pen and outline the composition. Start with the poster color bottle. It has a few light lines on its lid. Next, outline the pencil. Brush. Small tube. And the big tube. Take care to draw the light lines in each of them also. Now, outline the palette shape and the inside circles. Do not forget to outline the lower part of pencil and brush. Carefully outline the little holes on the palette. Draw a little inner shape to the palette and an outer shape with a sketch pen as shown here. Hey friends, the outlines are neatly done. Now carefully erase the pencil marks. But make sure you do not erase the lines in which you have written the name. With your black marker, draw your name as shown here in calligraphy style to give the nameplate an attractive look. Ta-da-da-da! Now carefully erase the pencil marks. The color palette is waiting to get colored, so bring out your best crayons and start right away. You may use any colors you want, but if you use brighter colors, the nameplate will look better, I tell you. Here we are using orange color for the palette. While coloring, you should always keep in mind to start coloring from the outline and then move inside so that the colors do not go out. Do not color the outer shape of the palette. It is made just to give a good effect to the palette's shape. We will now start coloring all the objects one by one. Starting from left, use pink for the poster color bottle. Next, use blue for the pencil. The lower portion also. Gray for the hair of brush. For the brush, you can use red here below also. As for the tubes, you may use light blue here as well as for the lid. In the same way, you can use yellow for the big tube. We have taken some bright colors on this palette. To show that, fill the circles with yellow, light blue, pink and green. Wow, the palette looks amazing! Let us do something interesting here. We can give the palette a texture of wood or make it look like wood. All you have to do is take a dark shade like brown and draw straight lines on the palette. The lines can be thick or thin. Just make sure they are straight lines and in the same angle. The palette looks great. We have now finished with the coloring. Yes, this looks like a real artist's nameplate. Hey, coloring of the colors was fun and I'm sure you enjoyed drawing this creative nameplate. You can pick ideas from any objects you like and can draw many such beautiful nameplates. When your friends or cousins will admire your nameplate, I know you will be very happy